Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the markets. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Let's start off by saying it's been a busy week in the markets with a jam-packed economic calendar, and today is no exception. First up, we have the flash service and manufacturing PMIs being released out of the Eurozone, along with the British manufacturing and service PMIs. But that's not all, folks, because we're finishing off the day with the manufacturing and service PMIs out of the US at 3:45 p.m. South African Standard Time. And of course, we can't forget about our limited edition branded mug giveaway. All you need to do is like this video and comment the answer to the following question. If the oil producing countries want to increase the price of oil, they will A. Increase production amounts, B. Simply charge more, or C. Reduce production amounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be eligible to win. We'll announce the winner once we reach 300 subscribers.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar is steady, but it's not looking too great as nervousness over the banking system kept investors on edge. Traders are also absorbing the Federal Reserve's hints of a pause in interest rate hikes. So it's definitely an interesting time to keep an eye on the dollar index. Moving on to USD ZAR, we're seeing a potential rally back up to that retest higher level at 18.30 if we get a close around that 18.15 cents to the dollar. However, if this level is broken, we could see this specific currency pair sell all the way back down to those lower levels at 17 Rand 60 cents to the dollar. Now let's look at Wall Street. US equities had a great day, with technologies, consumer services, and telecom sectors pushing shares higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.23%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.3%, and the Nasdaq climbed over 1%. We also saw Netflix shares surge higher thanks to reports on healthy subscriber growth in its new ad-supported subscription tier. Additionally, rumors of increased investment in its nascent video game business helped lift shares, putting it at the top of the S&P 500. Shifting our focus to the S&P 500 analysis, it's currently trading in an ascending channel. If we remain within this channel, we could see this specific index rally all the way back up to retest that next primary resistance at 4,000. But if this channel is broken, along with that primary support level at 3,900, we could see a further sell-off back down to that lower support level at 3,800. Let's move on to commodities. Oil prices fell on worries about potential oversupply after US Energy Secretary said refilling the country's strategic petroleum reserve may take several years. Brent crude futures slid 0.6% to $75.43 a barrel, while WTI crude futures dropped 0.7% to $69.44 a barrel. Both benchmarks are still on track for a weekly gain of about 3 to 4%. Looking at our analysis on crude oil, it's currently trading within a relatively tight range. If we get a close around that $70 a barrel level, we could see this go back to retest those higher levels at $72 a barrel. However, if we get a close around that $69 a barrel, this could potentially go all the way back down to retest those lower levels at $67.50 a barrel. Finally, let's take a look at gold prices. The yellow metal is now hovering just below that $2,000 mark, outpacing the dollar for a third straight week, as signs of a less hawkish Fed and turmoil in the banking sector saw traders turn to the yellow metal as their preferred safe haven. Markets are now pricing in a possibility that the Fed will raise rates only once more this year, after hiking rates by an cumulative 475 basis points in the past 12 months. A pause in the Fed's hike cycle bodes well for gold, which was pressured by strength in the dollar and rising yields through 2022. Taking a look at our analysis on gold, yesterday we broke through that smaller resistance level which has now become support. Should we remain above the support level and get a close around that 1995 level, then we could see a potential rally back up all the way to retest that next resistance at 2015. Should the smaller support level, however, be broken and we get a close around that 1980 level, we could see a sell-off back down to retest those lower levels at 1960.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the Plessis be with you. Cheers.